Ladies and gentlemen, I would therefore suggest that skilled training is most essential prerequisite for this wonderful business Pakistan has in its mountains, its valleys and plains. And for that, all entrepreneurs would be welcome to have joint partnership with Pakistani entrepreneurs or G2G to train our youth with modern skills so that one day soon they become entrepreneurs themselves. In the beginning, they will work with Mark Bristow, with our investors from Saudi Arabia, UAE, Qatar, Kuwait, and United States of America, China, Britain, and other places. But then it has to be a built-in factor that they will train our youth by establishing vocational training centers. I think these are those very important areas for all of us to consider and then bring up a very holistic and all-inclusive policy which will bring tremendous dividends for both the partners. I will finally conclude by saying that these vast areas, rather arid areas, are soon going to be converted into hubs of development. And inshallah, I want to say, with all authority at my command, that we will work as a team, the federal government, the provincial governments, and myself, not as Prime Minister, but Chief Executive Officer of Pakistan, along with our dynamic Chief Army Staff and his colleagues, and turn Pakistan as one of the most growing countries around the world, inshallah ta'ala.